Welcome to this training. This training I have to respond to some questions. I have HP Z800. When powered on, nothing appears on screen and I get one beep sound after 1 minute. I'll try resetting RAM, but no change. Please advise. Okay, on the HP Z800, when you get this single beep that comes after a long pause, okay, signifies no graphics card detected or graphics initialization failed. Okay, this type of PC does not have any onboard graphics, so it needs a working PCIe graphics card to show anything. When you experience such, I advise that you turn off the system, then remove the graphic card and try reseating it. You see the graphic card, and you can move it slot by slot to different slot to see if it will work. And the next is, if you have a spare graphic card, just replace it and test and see if it will work.
Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video and help me share. Thank you for watching. Bye.